Donlarrie, where have you been? I've been to London to see the Queen. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and a happy new year. We made it. Yeah, this is 2021 and we are grateful to God that we have made it to 2021. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. My name is Lara. So on this channel I share pattern drafting, sewing tutorials and DIYs. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys. Join the family, okay? In this video I'm not going to be making any pattern drafting or sewing tutorial. I just want to use this medium to thank you guys for your support. Thank you all my subscribers, my viewers, my fans out there for supporting the channel. Thank you so much. Even while I was away, thousands and thousands of people are still subscribing to my channel, watching my videos. I am so grateful, guys, and this is for you guys. I've not been able to show you guys ever since this arrived, and I'm dedicating this to all of you. Thank you so much. When I started this channel in 2018, I started with 0 subscriber, as in 0 subscriber. This is where we are now. We are far more beyond this 100,000 subscribers. But I just need to say thank you to all of you guys. And I also want to use this opportunity to encourage you guys. If you have any plan, if you have anything you want to do, maybe starting a YouTube channel will help you. If you are running a fashion business, believe me, it has helped me a lot. Even while I was away, many of you are still buying my online courses. Many of you are still buying my PDF patterns. And I'm still earning from YouTube. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, it doesn't matter what level you are, just go for it. When I started my YouTube channel, you can see this video. This first video was the first video I posted on this channel. I was so naive. And at a point I wanted to delete this video from the channel, and I made another video after that. It took me, each of these videos took me weeks, but now I thank God and I thank you guys for supporting my channel. So if you have any plan, just go for it. Stop procrastinating. This is 2021, okay? You just need to come out of your comfort zone, take that big step, and you won't regret it. And I will see you guys very soon with another pattern and sewing tutorial. Till then, do have a wonderful day. Bye.